Hi viewers, welcome to Shaker's Biofactory for NEET Biology K-CET Grand Test Question Paper 1 with Part 2. Question number 31. Which of the following statement is incorrect? First option, deoxyribonucleic acid DNA and ribonucleic acid RNA are the two types of nucleic acids found in living system. Option 2. DNA act as a genetic material in most of the organisms. Option 3. RNA through it also act as a genetic material in some bacteria, mostly function as a messenger. RNA has additional role of as well. Option 4. RNA functions as a adapter, structure and in some cases as a catalytic molecule. In this we have to identify the incorrect statement. The incorrect statement is third option. Question number 32. Identify the correct matching. Option 1. Nucleoside, hydrogen bonds. Option 2. Nucleotide, ester bonds. Option 3. Dinucleotide, phosphodiester bond. Fourth option, nitrogenous bases, N-Glycosidic bond. In this, the correct matching is third option. Dinucleotide is formed by phosphodiester bond. Question number 33. Some transforming principle transferred from the heat-killed S strain had enabled the R strain to synthesize a smooth polysaccharide coat and become virulent. The transforming principle is option 1 deoxyribonucleic acid, option 2 ribonucleic acid, option 3 protein, option 4 lipids. The correct answer is first option deoxyribonucleic acid DNA. Question number 34. Which of the following is not a criteria for genetic material? Option A. It should be able to generate its replication. Statement B. It should act as a adapter molecule. Statement C. It should have catalytic nature. Statement D. It should chemically and structurally be stable. Statement E. It should provide the scope of slow changes, mutation that are required for evolution. Statement F. It should be able to express itself in the form of Mendelian characters. Out of this A to F statements which are not related to criteria for genetic material. The correct answer is B and C. Question number 35. Read the following sequence and name the fifth amino acid in protein formed by this mRNA. The mRNA sequence is from 5' to 3'. First option phenylalanine, second option methionine, third option valine, fourth option glutamic acid. The correct answer is glutamic acid because in this mRNA AUG is the first genetic codon and GAG is the fifth genetic codon. GAG codes glutamic acid. Question number 36. The repressor protein binds to the dash region of the operon and prevents RNA polymerase from transcribing the operon. First option operator, second option promoter, third option structural gene, fourth option inducer. The correct answer is first option operator. Question number 37. Stanley Miller created electric discharge in a closed flask containing CH4, H2, NH3 and water vapors at dash. He observed the formation of amino acids. First option 750 degrees centigrade temperature, option 2 800 degrees centigrade temperature, third option 850 degrees centigrade temperature, fourth option 900 degrees centigrade temperature. The correct answer is second option 800 degrees centigrade temperature. Question number 38. Identify the structures which are not related to homologous organs. First option forelimb of man and cheetah. Second option thorns of bougainvillea and tendrils in cucurbita. Option 3 mouth parts of cockroach and mosquito. Fourth option wings of insects and birds. The correct answer is fourth option wings of insects and birds are not related to homologous organs because these are analogous organs. Question number 39. Identify the correct matching. First option, Homo habilis 650 to 800 cc. Option 2, Homo erectus 800 cc. Third option, Neanderthal man 1300 cc. Fourth option, Homo sapiens 1350 cc. In this, the correct matching is first option, Homo habilis 650 to 800 cc. Question number 40. Read the following statements. Statement A. These pathogens generally enters the small intestine through food and water contaminated with them and migrated to other organs through blood. Statement B. Sustained high fever 39 degree to 40 degree centigrade. Statement C. Weakness, stomach pain, constipation, headache. Statement D. Loss of appetite are some of the common symptoms of the disease. These symptoms are seen in which of the following disease? First option, pneumonia. Second option, malaria. Third option, typhoid. Fourth option, amoebiasis. The correct answer is option 3, typhoid. Question number 41. Allergy is due to the releasing of chemicals like dash and dash from the mast cells. Statement option 1, A. Serotonins, B. Lysine. Option 2, A. Valine, B. Histamine. Option 3, A. Valine, B. Serotonins. Option 4, A. Histamine, B. Serotonins. The correct answer is fourth option, A. Histamine, B. Serotonin. Question number 42. The practice of mating of animals within the same breed but having no common ancestor on either side of their pedigree up to 4 to 6 generation is called. First option, crossbreeding. Second option, outcrossing. Third option, interspecific hybridization. Fourth option, outbreeding. The correct answer is second option, outcrossing. Question number 43. Arrange the plant breeding steps in a correct sequence. Here, A, B, C, D and E statements are given. We have to arrange these statements in a correct sequence. The correct sequence is first option. First step in plant breeding is collection of variabilities. Second step is evaluation and selection of parents. Third step is cross hybridization and among the selected parents. And fourth step is selection and testing of superior recombinants. And fifth step is testing, release and commercialization of new cultivar. Question number 44. Identify the correct statements. Statement A. Lactobacillus and other commonly called lactic acid bacteria, LAB. Statement B. LAB grow in milk and convert it to curd. Statement C. LAB produce acids that coagulate and partially digest the milk lipids. Statement D. LAB converts milk to curd, which also improve its nutritional quality by increasing vitamin B6. Statement E. In our stomach too, the LAB play a very beneficial role in checking disease-causing microbes. Here, from A to E, we have to identify the correct statements. The first option is the correct one. A, B, and E are the correct statements. Question number 45. Match the following. In column 1, Aspergillus niger, Acetobacter aceti, Clostridium botulicum, Lactobacillus. In column 2, acetic acid, lactic acid, citric acid, butyric acid are given. The correct matching is third option. Aspergillus niger can produce citric acid. Acetobacter aceti, it produces acetic acid. Clostridium botulicum, it produces butyric acid. Lactobacillus can produce lactic acid. Question number 46. Cyanobacteria are autotrophic microbes widely distributed in aquatic and terrestrial environments, many of which can fix atmospheric nitrogen except option 1, Anabina, option 2, nostoc, Option 3, Oscillatoria. Option 4, Acetobacter. In this, fourth option is the correct one, Acetobacter. It is not a cyanobacteria. Question number 47. The first restriction endonuclease Hind II. In this, IN denotes option 1, genus name, option 2, species name, option 3, strain, option 4, order of the enzyme. The correct answer is second option, it denotes species name. Question number 48. Identify the incorrect matching. First option, recombinant DNA is directly injected into the nucleus of an animal cell is called microinjection. Option 2, recombinant DNA can then be forced into such cells by incubating the cells with the recombinant DNA on ice, followed by placing them briefly at 42 degrees centigrade temperature and then putting them back on ice is called gene gun method. Option 3, plant cells are bambooed with high velocity microparticles of gold and tungsten coated with DNA is called biolistic. Option 4, pathogen allowed to infect the cell transfer the recombinant DNA into host cell is disarmed pathogen method. In this, the incorrect statement is second option, it is not gene gun method. Question number 49. Insulin consists of two short polypeptide chains, chain A and chain B, that are linked together by option 1, dichloride bridges, option 2, disulfide bridges, option 3, dioxide bridges, option 4, dinitrate bridges. The correct answer is disulfide bridges, second option. Question number 50. Which of the following is permanent cure for ADA deficiency? Option 1, bone marrow transplantation. Option 2, enzyme replacement therapy. Option 3, recombinant lymphocytes. Option 4, gene therapy at early embryonic stage. In this, the correct answer is fourth option. Question number 51. The group of similar individuals in a particular geographical area are called option 1, biome, option 2, community, option 3, population, option 4, ecosystem. The correct answer is option 3, population. Which of the following statement is correct? First option, temperature is the most ecological relevant internal factor. Option 2, temperature on land varies seasonally, decrease progressively from the equator towards the poles and from plain to the mount tops. Option 3, it ranges from sub-zero level in polar areas and high altitude to less than 50 degrees centigrade in tropical desert in summer. Option 4, in thermal springs and deep sea hydrothermal vents where average temperature exceeds 30 degrees centigrade. In these statements, we have to identify the correct one. The correct statement is second statement. Question number 53. Some organisms are able to maintain homeostasis by physiological means which ensure constant body temperature, constant osmotic concentration, etc. is called option 1, regulate, option 2, conform, option 3, migrates, option 4, suspend. The correct answer is option 1, regulate. Question number 54. The humus is further degraded by some microbes and release of inorganic nutrients occur by the process known as option 1, degradation, option 2, catabolism, option 3, mineralization, option 4, anabolism. The correct answer is mineralization. Question number 55. Identify the correct labeling in the following diagram. It is the diagram pyramid of energy. Here we have to identify A, B, C and D. The correct answer is fourth option, A, 100 joules, B, 10,000 joules, C, 10 joules, D, 1000 joules. Question number 56. Read the following formula and in this S represents. The formula is log S is equal to log C plus Z log A. First option, slope of the line. Second option, intercept. Third option, species richness. Fourth option, area. The correct answer is third option, species richness. Question number 57. Steelers sea cow, passenger pigeon are extincted due to option 1, alien species invasion, option 2, over-exploitation, option 3, habit loss, fourth option, coexistence. The correct answer is second option, over-exploitation. Question number 58. Identify the correct matching. First option, Environmental Protection Act 1986. Option 2, Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1985. Third option, Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1977. Option 4, Montreal Protocol 1989. In this, the correct matching is first option, Environment Protection Act passed in 1986. Question number 59. Which of the following elements are not related to e-waste? A. Copper, B. Iron, C. Palladium, D. Silicon, E. Platinum, F. Nickel, G. Gold, H. Rhodium. In this, the correct answer is fourth option, C. Palladium, E. Platinum, H. Rhodium are not related to e-wastes. Question number 60. The world's most problematic aquatic weed also grow abundantly in eutrophic water bodies and leads to an imbalance in the ecosystem dynamic of the water body is option 1, planktons, option 2, zooplanktons, option 3, Iconia crassipes, option 4, grasses. In this, the correct answer is third option, Iconia crassipes. Thank you for watching. If you want this question paper in WhatsApp, send SBF space K-CET space 001 to my WhatsApp number 944906747.